crew. Some were strangers, but others he knew. Rich men, poor men, and beggars in rags, handsome young ladies and wicked old hags. On at a terrible pace, sulfuric fumes burnt their hands and face. Oh, how the passengers shrieked with pain and begged old Satan to stop that train. The stranger awoke with an anguished cry, his clothes wet with sweat and his hair standing high. He fell on his knees on the bar